Yeah. So good afternoon, all of you. My name is Vidhi Mehta, and I'm going to take your induction program related to proficiency module. So today is our first, you can say, first session. So let's start with the introduction. So here, what you have to do is you have to introduce yourself. Now I will tell you how to introduce yourself. That is, you can say that your name. You can include your name, your nationality, your place, or you can say you are coming from, it means native place, or you are coming from which city or which area. That of birth, this is optional. If you want to say, it's fine, otherwise you can omit. Address, age, family, education, hobby, occupation. So this is the way you all have to introduce yourself. Am I clear? Fine. So now let's start with, now let's start this activity. We will do this activity, then we will see. So are you all ready, or you require some time to prepare your introduction? What you all say? What
Ready, ma'am.
you all are ready, because now I think you all are, you can say, you have given introduction today many times, if I'm not wrong, right? That's why. Fine. So I'm so eager to know you all. So let's start introductory session. So who is going to start first? Ready? So I will take their name and they have to start. That we will do. Okay. Mute yourself, please. So what we will do is, I will take one by one everybody's turn, and then we will start, right? So by the way, all of you have given introduction or not? Up till now, you all have given introduction or not? Have you introduced yourself in this session or what? Okay, you are doing for the. Not like that. You have to speak. You don't write it. We would like to hear you. That's why. So my question is, are you going to introduce yourself first time, or have you introduced in your previous session? The first time. So you, I think that it is a new for all of you, right? By the way, somebody asked me that my voice is like, uh, are you all facing the same issue, or it is for a specific person? Still, it's lagging. Still, it's lagging. Just a second. Let me do one thing. Just a second. Just a second. Yeah. So now am I audible, all of you, or still you have the same issue? Am I audible? Clearly? My voice is fine. Am I audible now, all of you? Right now? Still, you are facing the same issue. Oh my God! Now, what am I supposed to do? Just a second. Am I? Still, my voice is not clear. Am I audible, all of you now? Am I audible, all of you? Please let me know. So fine. Now, yeah, it's working. Everything seems fine. So we are starting, and I hope you all have. We can say till now you all have prepared. You all are ready with your. You can say introduction. Fine. So we will go one by one. I'm taking each student's name. Then we will start. So just a second. So right now it's also an interesting task because you as I ask है किसी को नहीं पता है कि कौन कहाँ से आया है क्या है. So let's do this task so we all come to know about this thing. So fine, we are starting with Ranjan Kumar. Ranjan Kumar, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sir.
Ma'am, my name is Ranjay Kumar, and I belong from Bihar, and and my date of birth is in October 2001.
Okay.
And
just a second, I'm sharing something for your help, so you come to know some about your health. Just a second. Yeah. Now you can easily.
ma'am, I am Indian, and I am 19-year-old, and I pursued my education 12th from KV number 2 Ambala Kent, and my hobby is playing games like PUBG and all virtual games, and right now, ma'am, that's it, ma'am.
Okay, excellent, Ranjan. Very good. We are happy to know about you. Now the next is Abdeli Kitabi. Am I audible, Abdeli?
My name is Abdeli Kitabi. I'm from Rajkot itself. I'm born and brought up here. My date of birth is 22nd January 2002. I have 4 family members, and I like reading novels. Other than that, I have pursued my 12th from Utkarsh School from Rajkot itself.
So good, Abdeli. I'm glad to know that you like reading. Otherwise, students generally like PUBG. So it's not a big. It's not a. I
No, I
understand.
like it too.
Yeah. Okay.
I
Fine.
like games too, but I
Okay.
prefer reading novels.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Good to know about you. So fine. What my point is that when you say when you mention age, na, then you can skip date of birth, and if you want to skip date of birth, then you can omit age. The omit age. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to choose. Okay. This is for all of you. Fine.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
good. Good. Yeah. Now next is Abhi.
Hello,
Yeah. Abhi.
I am audible.
Yeah. Yeah.
My name is Bhatti Abhishek and I am a local Rajkotian, born the same city. I am 18 and I passed my high school from SOS, Rajkot, School of Science. And I am a TFWS candidate in the class.
Oh
So that's
wow.
it.
Okay, you are TFW. Very good. Now it's also a good thing that you got TFW seat because it's also one of the big thing for
Yeah,
a
thank you.
student. Yeah, yeah, good. So yeah, and I hope in future, master, you also sustain this kind of your progress. Then only you can achieve this TFW seat for masters even. Good.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And next is Achyut Parsania.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah.
my name is Achyut Parsania. I am 80 years old. Hello.
You are audible. Continue.
Yes, I am Achyut Parsania. I am 20 years old. I am from Junagadh. I passed my 12th science in a Sorat International School, Junagadh. My hobbies is cricket, reading, etc.
Good, chala, good, good, Achyut. Now next is Rajvi. Rajvi, are you there? Rajvi Vyas, are you there, Rajvi? Chalo, those who have spoken, please mute yourself. Mute yourself. So fine, Rajvi, I don't think he is not responding. So now let's move ahead. Now next is Anand.
Yes, I am Anand Balodia.
Okay.
My birth date is 24 December 2001. My hobby is cricket, playing, and watching movie. Hello.
Yeah, you continue. I'm listening. Your voice is audible.
And I am studying in Dhoraji Dream International School. My age is 18 years old. Hello.
Yeah, continue. Fine.
Yes.
Okay, Anand. Okay, Anand. Good. Chalo. Now next is Raj Chadiar.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Raj. I am from Rajkot and I am proudly Indian. And I completed my high school from Rajkot Modi schools. And my hobby is I oftenly read books and listen songs and movie watching.
Okay, fine, Raj.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Raj.
Yes.
Now next is Abhi. Can you hear me, Abhi?
I have given my introduction, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, I thought again there is just a second. Fine.
Okay.
Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Aditya Patel. Morbi, date of birth 26 June 2003. Nationality Indian. Address Morbi. I am 80-year-old. Education in Navik School. My hobby is mm, movies, games, readings. No, occupation is etc. son.
Fine. Occupation right now, no needed because you all are student right now, right? So good.
Yeah,
Now next
thank you.
is, yeah, Rishit. Rishit, are you there? Rishit Detroja. Not responding. Fine. Yes, Kenny. Yes, Kenny. Not there. Ekta. What happened? They all are not responding me. It means that am I not audible or what?
No, ma'am, I can hear you fine.
Okay, then why they are not responding? Are they not here or what? Audible. Okay, Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi, you can start. What happened? Sure, let's start with it. Akhilesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
First of all, good afternoon. My name is Akhilesh Gondalia. I am from Rajkot, born and brought up in Rajkot. Turning 19 tomorrow, and got my LC from St. Mary's School. So yeah, that's my school I passed from. Four members in family. Age, yes, I told. Nationality Indian, but can't say after studying 4 years in Marwadi. And hobby is playing cricket. Thank you.
Okay, Akhilesh, be good to know that tomorrow is your birthday. So happy birthday in advance.
Most
Happy
welcome,
birthday,
ma'am.
Nidla.
Yeah, you told me that you are going to turn 19 tomorrow. So fine. So thank you. Yeah. So yeah, you are not here. Otherwise, we would ask for chocolate even. So fine. Good. Now next is Anchal.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. My name is Anshul Mandavia. I am born and brought up in Rajkot. I am 18 years old and I completed my 12th standard from the Rajkumar College, Rajkot.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
that's it.
Okay, Anshul, good. Good to know about you. Now next is Aniket Singh, sorry. Aniket Singh.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Aniket Singh. I'm 18 years old. I'm currently living in Amreli, and I've got four members in my family, and I'm the younger sibling. My hobby usually changes from month to month, so there's no fixed hobby I've got. And occupation, we'll see about that later. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Sure, good. Now next is Deep.
Hello,
Yeah, Deep.
my name is Deep Fardu. I am from Rajkot in Maudi area. My date of birth is 26th May 2003. My nationality proud by Indian. My age is 18 years old. I have joint family. My education, I went to SOS school. My hobby is playing music and guitar, etc.
Good, good, good. Now that we happy that you like music even good. Now next is Drumil. Drumil, are you there? Fine. Now next is I would like to know that who is this Galaxy A30s?
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Who is there?
It's me, Sakshi Gothi.
Okay, Sakshi.
I recently joined this one.
Fine. So
I
we
didn't
are
know about this. Yeah.
fine. No problem. We are just doing introduction, so it's good that that you are here. So now yeah, you introduce yourself, Sakshi.
Class. It's me, Sakshi Gothi. My date of birth is 14 March 2002. My nationality is Indian, and I'm from Umargaon, Gujarat. My age is 18, and education is I have passed 12th standard in Surat. Hobbies to sports, and occupation is my father is businessman.
Good, good. We are glad to know about you. So thank you, Sakshi. Now, yes. Next is Sakshi. You can mute yourself. Mute your mic.
Yes.
Harsh, are you there? Harsh Tank.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I am Arsnak. I am from Porbandar. I passed my 12th science from Sigma School. My date of birth is 29th October. My hobby is cricket.
So good. Now next is Harshit.
Hello everyone. My name is Harshit. I am 18 years old. I am from Delhi, India. I have done my 12th science from Vivekanand School, and I play chess. I have very good interest in computer science and physics also. Thank you.
Good, Harshit. Now next is Hussein.
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
My name is Hussein and I am from Gujarat. I passed my 12th from SOS School, School of Science. My date of birth is 10th May 2002. I live in Rajkot only. And I have 4 family members and I am only the one son. My hobby is playing cricket and another games like virtual games and chess and everything.
Good, good, Hussein.
That's all.
Okay, good, Hussein. Now next is Hiren Handa. Hiren, are you there? Fine. Ishan Avlani, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good afternoon, madam. Myself Ishan Aulani. I am born and brought up in Rajkot. I completed my studies from St. Mary's School. I am 18 years old and my hobby is to play guitar and table tennis.
Good. Now next is Javik.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Javik Makar and I'm 18 years old. I am from Rajkot, Gujarat. My nationality is India and my hobby is to write, to watch good movies, read more books, good books and inspiration books, I guess. And I'm good at writing and I'm living with 4 members, including myself. And okay, thank you.
Good, Javik. Good. Now next is Janil.
Hello. First of all, am I audible to you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So my name is Janil Makati. I am 18 years old. I was born in Rajkot itself. And my hobbies are to play video games and do workout and play football. And I have pursued my education from Allen Institute. So that's it.
Good, good, Janil. Now, Joy Ramolia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Jay. My favorite hobby is cricket. I was 18-year-old. My family members is 6. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, fine. Now, good, Joy. Now, next is Khushi Savalia. Khushi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Khushi Savalya. I am from Rajkot. My date of birth is 21st May. I am 18 years old and I pursued my education Sarvodaya Science School. And my hobby is like the reading history book.
Done? Fine. She might be having some issue, I think so, because she's not here. I can see her. Fine. So thank you. Now, thank you for Khushi. Now, next is Krishna.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Krishna. I'm from Rajkot. I'm 18. I've completed my 12th from Ellen, and as a hobby, I like to read and listen music.
Okay, fine. Good. Now, good, Krishna. Now, next is Meet Patel.
Good afternoon, ma'am and my fellow friends. Myself, Meet Patel. I am 19 years old. I live in Rajkot, Gujarat with my parents. My hobbies are to play soccer and cycle daily. I love to travel and watch web series and listen to music. I have completed my school education from SN Kansagra School, Rajkot. Thank you for your precious time, ma'am.
Good, Meet Patel. Good. Now, next is Mihir Donga. Fine. Next is Nazil Bhorania. Nazil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nazil.
My name is Nazil Burania, nationality Indian, address Rajkot from Wakaner. Age 18-year-old, family, joint family. Education, Wakaner Modern High School. Hobbies, playing cricket. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good, Nazil. Now, next is Nil Dholakia.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Neil Dholakia. My nationality is Indian. I am 18 years old. I am from Bhavnagar. I have studied from Gnanmanjari Vidyapit. I live in joint family. My hobbies are playing various sports, reading, cycling, swimming. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, next is Neville.
Hello.
Yeah.
My name is Neville Baloria and I lived in Rajkot, localite, and I passed my 12th in Sakti school and my hobby is gaming.
Done, Neville?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, good, Neville. Now, next is Nikhil. Nikhil's iPhone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikhil Padia. I am 18 years old and I have completed my 12th from SN Kansagra School, Rajkot. My hobbies are to play games, outdoor games like cricket and football. I love cycling, and also one of my best thing that I love to do is to listen music and do coding.
Good. Then you are at the right place. Then you wisely selected
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
branch. Yeah, good.
Yeah, yes.
Next is Padalia Love. Love, are you there? Fine. If he's not there, then Param, are you there?
Yes. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
We can hear you. Param.
Hello, my name is Rajani Param. My birth date is 6 July 2003. I live in Jamshedpur. My age is 17. My family has 4 members. My hobby is playing MMORPG and volleyball. Thank you.
Okay, fine, good. Good, Param. Now next is Parth Panjwani. Parth, are you there? Not responding. I think those who are not responding there, I think they are hungry. They are having lunch or what? So fine. Next is Prati Sanghvi. Prati, are you there?
Good afternoon. You can hear me?
Yeah, Prati.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prati Sanghvi. I'm born in Rajkot, but I was raised in Oman, Muscat, and I completed my 12th standard also over there. I am 17 years old. In my family, there are 4 members, including me. My brother is pursuing BSc in Marwadi University, and my hobby is dancing, playing sports, etc. Thank you.
So good, Prati. It means that you are aware about Marwadi, right? So you are not, you can say completely blank. Good, very good. Now, next is Rahul.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I hope everyone is fine in this pandemic. I'm Rahul Kinchi and I'm 18 years old. I have completed my higher studies from KV2 Infantry Lines, Jamnagar. Basically, I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan, but I'm living in Gujarat from last 16 years. My hobby is to study mythology, play soccer, and I have got interest in programming in 11th standard when I opted for computer science. Thank you.
Okay, good. Now, good, Rahul. Now, next is Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Raj Chadia. I am from Rajkot itself, and my age is 17. And I passed my education from Modi High School, and I got TFWS seat in Marwadi. And my hobby is to do coding, play cricket, and read some novels. Thank you.
So good, Raj. Again, I'm happy to know about the TFW sit. Good, because it's also, we have to earn this sit. That's why it's good.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah. Next is again another Raj Pipalia.
Hello, ma'am. Can I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
I'm Raj Pipadia. I am from Rajkot. My age is 18 years. I completed my 12th standard in Bhimani School and I got a TFWS seat in Marwadi University.
Okay, good. So both the Raj got TFW. Very good. Chalo. Good. We both earned this seat. Good. Now next is Ranjan. Ranjay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I already introduced myself in the first one.
Fine, I'm not recalling because there are 60 students right now. So sorry, extremely sorry.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Name is shuffling on and often because when somebody join or leave the session and the list is shuffling. That's right. But it's the online. Nah? If we are offline, then see, this is the, you can say, advantage or disadvantage. We do not know what to do. If we are offline, if the classroom thing is there, then the situation will be different. But fine, we have to manage as the pandemic situation is going on. Fine. Now next is, just a second, Rushi, are you there?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rushi Sanghvi. I am 17 old from Umreli. We are 4 family members. I have studied in LN Ahmedabad. I am mainly fond of cricket, PUBG, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Rushi, fine. Now next is Roshan.
Hello. I am audible.
Yeah.
My name is Roshan Sukla. My date of birth is 23rd August. I am 20 years old. I am from Rajkot itself. I am pursued my 12th from Utkarsh School. Thank you.
Okay, Roshan, fine. Next is Rutik.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Rutik.
My name is Rutik Gajera. I am from Rajkot. I am living in Sapar Verawar. I am 18 years old and 5th November 2002 is my birth date. Four members in my family and I completed study in Dhodakia School, Rajkot, and my hobby is traveling. Okay.
Good, chalo, fine, good. So on Diwali you will get your birthday. Good for this year. So now next is Sakshi. We have already taken her turn. Shubham.
Hello everyone, my name is Solanki Subham and I am from Rajkot. I am 18-year old. There are 6 members in my family and I completed my high school from the School of Science and my hobbies is to play cricket and football. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good, fine. Good, Shubham. Now next is Tirth.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Myself, Tirth Patel, and I am from Morbi. My native is Vadodara. My nationality is Indian, and my age is 19 years old. There are 4 members in our family. My education is completed through Gurukul, Ahmedabad, and my hobbies are singing as well as playing games like football, skating, etc. Thank you.
Okay, good, Tirth. Now next is Unnati. Unnati, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Unnati Patel. Nationality, I'm Indian. I live in Rajkot. My birth date is 7 July 2000. And I live with my mom, dad, and my younger sister. And I have no specific hobbies.
Okay, good. Chalo, good, Unnati. There is no specific hobby is the good thing. What we can say. So good. Now next is Vanditu.
Yeah, hi ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Myself Vanditu Nandani. I'm from Rajkot itself. I turned 18 this year and I have completed my high school from St. Paul's Rajkot. And my hobby is to play guitar. And I have 5 members in my family. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, good, Vanditu. Now next is Vasu.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Vasudodi. I am from Rajkot. My date of birth is 19 December 2002. I am proud to be Indian. I am 17 years old. I am from joint family. I am completed my high school in Creative Science School. My hobby is playing cricket, badminton, and watching movies.
Good. Good. Now next is Yanshu.
Hello, Vidhi ma'am.
Yes, hello. Good, Yanshu.
Yes, I am Yanshu Patel. I was born and brought up in Rajkot, Gujarat. I did my primary and secondary from St. Paul School and did my higher secondary from Vijay Modi School. And my hobby is like playing FPS games and all.
Okay, good, Yanshu. Good. Now next is Viral Gajera.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
My name is Viral Gajere and I'm from Rajkot. My hobby is watching movie. I have completed my 12th from SOS school and I also TFW candidate. Thank you.
Okay, you are also TFW candidate. Good. Congratulations to all the candidates who secured their place.
Thank you.
Yeah, good.
Thank
Now next is, I think for Yes Kenny we have already taken, right? Yes. Right, Yash? Or not? Rajvi, are you there? Fine. Now anybody is still you can say pending with the introduction or what? सब pattern आ गया या फिर कोई बाकी है अभी? Anybody left? No one. There are some still I can say silent birds are there who haven't given their introduction. Free में सब सुन रहे हैं. This is not fair. You all have to introduce yourself. सबका introduction सुन लिया लेकिन they haven't given, so it's fine. We consider that you might be facing some technical issue, or maybe you can say you are stuck with some work or what, fine. But yeah, and so fine. I'm happy to know you all about you, and I'm glad because today's is the first session and it is all about the introduction that we have done. And in our next session, not next session, but because there are many more sessions are there, so in the next session there will be some activities. Basically, I'm from communication skill, so right now we are not supposed to starting any kind of syllabus or something, so do not worry that I'm going to teach you something, but we will learn something, yeah, definitely, through some activities or something, and you will get sorry mute your mic, please, otherwise I have to mute you all. So it is better that you mute yourself, right? Yeah. So yeah, I was just telling that I'm from communication skills, so I'm not going to, we can say, teach you right now. We are not going to start anything, but definitely we will learn something through many different kind of activities, and that's why today I just taken your introduction, so I come to know that. And yeah, it's also fact that I can't remember you all, but still I remember something. I come to know about that that there are many students. So this class is full of, you can say, multicultural. There's the multicultural class. Some are from, you can say, Gujarat, some are from Rajkot native, some are from Mumbai, some are from, you can say, out of Rajkotians, some are from out of Gujarat even, and some of the students have completed their education from other different countries even. So it's good. I'm happy to know you all about, and yeah, know you about all. Now there are some speaking structures. You can see some common phrases. I haven't shown you earlier because I just wanted to know you about that how you know. That's why I haven't shown you. Otherwise I have, but I haven't shown you. The reason मुझे जानना था कि आप क्या करते हो. So in each and every we can say lecture, there will be some kind of activity. Always there will be some activity, and you all have to participate with full of enthusiasm, right? So there are some phrases you can see that you can use. You all have introduce yourself well, but to make yourself better, to introduce better, there are some things that definitely help you. So you can read on your screen. So yeah, when you give introduction, when you get chance to introduce yourself next time, use this kind of phrases. Because first impression is the last impression. It's a मैंने सुना था, लेकिन I'm not agree. I modified this definition. That first impression can be the last impression, but not always. So, most of the time, yes, most of the time I'm agreeing, but not always. So introduce yourself well. Maybe it become, you can say, maybe it can, you can say, create long-lasting impact about you. So things to remember that this is, I feel that generally we are making mistake here, that we need to avoid myself, Rahul, because myself is not the proper way. You can use I am, my name, like that way. Next is use I belong instead of I come from. This is also a nice way to say I belong to instead of I come from. Whenever you are introducing yourself, try to introduce like that way. Next thing is that avoid speaking in a casual tone. There's also important one. And most important is take care of S and ES structure, or you can say other common errors of grammars. So for example, when the third person singular, you can say when he, she, it is there, we should use S or ES structure, and we have to, you can say, omit, or you can say S or ES when we are not speaking in third person singular. So that thing we need to take care. Ensure that your pronunciation is correct and clear. Yes, whenever we are speaking, it is also important that we should use the clear pronunciation. Our language should be clear, right? And clear as well as the correct. So use the pronunciation which are, you can say, approved, and don't use jargons or something, because jargons may create confusion. Jargons, or you can say short forms. This thing we need to avoid whenever we are, you can say, when introducing ourselves. So you can see the difference of informal and formal things. So now there are two types of situation: formal situation and informal situation. So in informal, you can generally introduce when you introduce yourself with the friends and relatives. When formal means when you introduce yourself with the peers, teachers, and colleagues. So in informal, there is no rules, there is nothing. You can use as per your wish. मुझे जो बोलना है, जो भी करना चाहते हैं, you can do. There is no rule. But with formal, you have to, you can say, take care about these things, right? So see, there is one paragraph that I have prepared. This is called informal. But in informal, I'm not telling that this is the ideal one. You can use whatever way you want to, because it's your individual way. Now this is called formal. So fine. Now, is there any question, anything, anybody wants to share something? Then they can, they are welcome.
Ma'am, how many students are in our class?
60. 60.
60 or 50?
60. 60 students are there, but right now near around 50 students are or right now they are present. 60 are there. So you will get a very good, you can say, the number of students. Number of, you can say, your peers. Anything else? Because in the next session, I will come up with some activities and you all have to participate. Fun activities will be there, but there will be some learning purpose also. Nothing, nobody wants to say. It shows that you all are hungry. Yeah, that's why I haven't shown the slides to earlier. Neil, I completely, इसीलिए मैंने पहले नहीं बताया था, क्योंकि if पहले ही दिखा दूंगी, then what will happen? You are doing copy and paste. Now I don't like it. That we need to avoid. Now we need to follow this thing. Now we need to do this thing, right? So this is the formal and informal introduction. Today we learned how to give formal and how to give informal introduction. In informal, I'm not telling any kind of rules or strict thing. It's up to you. It's up to the situation, up to the person. But for formal, we need to take care about something. Little bit we need to take care. And we should be more conscious when we are giving formal introduction, right? So thank you so much, all of you, and I'm glad that today again, and I think tomorrow we are going to meet it again. So thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, thank you, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
And come up with the same excitement tomorrow even, okay? I want the excitement because today we are going to do some kind of task. And
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes,
Have a nice
ma'am.
day.
Yeah, have a
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Mr.